Okay, whakalofa Macau, welcome back. I'm here in Otahu Mason Trinity Church. Just got our special guest Vi, he's going to talk about today. Hey Vi, you want to just say how you found today's workshop?
Do I have to say Balangi or?
Niue is better.
Okay, the workshop Niue. It's a good workshop and it's a good turnout as well. Mua atu ki he tau tangata ne eilo e tau information ki he tau Valakere Niue. Tu ngā uka ha. I would love to go back to Niue, to build a house in Niue, but I don't know the processes. And Home workshop was a good turnout, and I think we need another one. Ke Langmatai, like most of our people are, we're not young, but we would love to know more. In terms of information, with our processes, and even look at the policies as well. Like all this time I thought, man, I can just go to Niue and build my house, but I didn't know that there are processes as well. Where even the way to, how do you say, to title your land? Yeah. The way ke titled my land, even though I don't have a land, so if you, but it's funny because I ask a question, and I'm pretty sure everybody will laugh at my question, especially the Niue. Can I buy a land in Niue? I already know the answer because we don't sell our land. But maybe that's something for our Niue people to look at in terms of, you know, people fight over land, family versus family. I would love, like, if you have a land to sell me, I will take up the offer. That way, that will get well, I say every that's it. In terms of the learning, workshop, I promote the workshop. Workshop information. That's me on the speaking to you, John. Oh, yeah. And if you want to interview somebody, that's another one for the interview.
Where?
Yeah, Alana.
Alana. You want to talk about how the workshop went today? Yeah, this is for my YouTube channel. You can talk without being on the camera. Yeah. How do you think it went?
It was really good, really informative. Handy tips and tricks was given, so it's really good.
What was one of the good points you took away from today, you think? Or something you learned, you took away?
The history of the laws, the land laws that, like, it started with the New Zealand laws, so they went by the land laws of New Zealand, and then it shifted to the Cook Island Land Act.
Yes.
And now it's back to Niue since they became independent. So I quite like that, to actually know the history, because if you've got cases that's going prior to 1969, then you should be referring to the acts that
happened at that time.
At the time. So I didn't know that. So.
Did he talk about any cases where it's like New Zealand law, but they're going on Niue law?
No,
or? Nah.
No, he just said it's pure, just go what, it goes by what Niue law.
The current, yeah.
So right now it's the Niue land law, 1969, and that's what they're using today.
Okay. All right. Were you on the front speaking today? What were you presenting?
Family history.
Oh, family history.
Yeah. How tools and resources on where you can find it.
Yeah.
Here in New Zealand.
Can you explain a little bit that?
So I explained how you can refer to the FamilySearch.org website, which is a Latter-day Saints church.
Okay.
So all the films that's in Niue were backed up by the church.
Yes.
At the time of the Heta cyclone.
Yes.
So that's now available to everyone who registers on that website, which is a family history website.
Family history website.
So that's a tool you can use to look at the films rather than going to the Auckland Library.
Yes.
Where all the films are available.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's really time consuming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for sharing that.
That's cool.
Familyhistory.org. Familysearch.org, and that's through the Latter-day Saints
Yeah.
website.
Yeah.
Okay, and what was your name again?
Alana.
Alana. Okay, whakaolahi. Okay, awesome. Okay, see ya. Whakalofa atu. There you have it, few interviewees. Sounds like it was a hit. They want more, not enough time. But I've got a self-defense class for the women's group. Now I'm gonna go and start that. Starts at 3, so it's 1:45. So I have some time to prepare, and the workshop is still going. As you can see, I'll just zoom in.